अरे मैम, अरे मैम, आ जाइए, अपनी व्यूअर्स राह देख रहे हैं।
Hello. Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. I was looking at this sari, the beautiful designer, such exclusive collections for this 2025 Diwali, Dashara, for Christmas till December, January. You have a many more collections. So today I'm going to take you to the only boutique party wear functional wear sarees. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel, resellers, dealers, wholesalers, businesswomen, entrepreneurs. If you're really into a boutique business or you're planning for a new setup of these sarees where you can have a high range, royal, rich look, casual and lightweight Banarasi sarees to till you have a stonework collections. We have a different counter. If I talk about Banarasi, it is a silk counter. If I talk about the functional, casual, boutique, party wear, stylish collections, I can talk about the boutique resellers. So today I'm going to show you around 1000 rupees to 1500 range of collections, which is at the factory price. Keep watching this video. Quickly you can add these kind of collections. I have a different fabrics. If I want to share about the individual fabrics, we have a Jimmy Choo fabric, we have a gypsy fabric, we have a Fandi fabric, we have exclusive many more collections. So quickly we can see the samples. Subscribe the channel and let's see the varieties. The first pattern you can see over here, the Fandi fabrics, where you can see such a beautiful variety of the peacock green, I can say, the jerry and the jerkin stone work, and the beautiful floral pattern. You can see the cream color pattern with the stone work, with the sari, which is you have a only with blouse. If I talk about the sari length, which is 630 meters, lovely collections. You have a curvicle designer cut. All these exclusive collections, and I have a wide range of collections over here, the samples which is customer purchased, and every sari you have a set to set. The first pattern, which is a peacock green, which is a very beautiful Fandi fabric. Next sari, if I talk about the Georgette fabric, which is one of the most famous sari and fast moving fabric at the party wear and the functional wear, especially Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. This Georgette is very demanded. In this you can see the samples of the boutique and the work, which is a hand work, and you have a dotted silver stone, which is a navy blue color. This saree also, you can just take down the screenshot because I have not mentioned here any code of the fabric. The next fabric, if I talk about, this is the one of the fabric, the Jimmy Choo fabric with a very beautiful peacock blue, I can say, and here the floral based. Again the curvicle design cut you can see in every pattern of the saree. Why? Because it's demanding and the fast moving. Based on the ratio level of high moving product, on that basis only the product is also getting launching, and new varieties of the sarees having every kind of sarees. If I talk about this saree, you have a curvicle. The curvicle design where you have a lengthy pattern. We have seen multiple, and we have seen here the beautiful one of the lavender color simmer chiffon. It's a very lovely color. I can see it looks like a silk. That's why simmer chiffon I can mention over here. So with the silver stone, silver finishing. And next fabric, if I talk about the gypsy fabric, very beautiful and lovely, which is a maroon wine, I can say over here, and the copper finishing of the thread work you can see, and the multiple varieties of these designer. This is all the celebrations tag you can see over here. And next saree, simmer chiffon or the crushed chiffon with the thread work, the dark purple color, and you have a lace which is a finishing with the multi brownish shade, the stones which has been placed. This is also one of the pattern. All these exclusive varieties you can purchase. And coming to the light ocean blue color, which is very pretty, again the color of the combination, which is the ocean blue combination. So these designer sarees also you have a demanded color combinations. This saree you have, this is the one more Jimmy Choo fabric. And next saree, which you have a beige green. I can say about the beige green, the lovely color combination of the beige green, which is very glossy, very silky finishing, and you have a thread work and that based on the silver stone. The silver stone finishings are very demanded at the market. So in this pattern also you can see over here, this is the back end portion. I'll just show you the saree, the beige dark it gives. And if I show the exact saree color, you can see the light beige, and you have a multiple thread work you can see on the based on that. If I talk about the next green, which is a dark mehndi green, with the dark mehndi green with this dark stone, which is based on the greeny color pattern. This is also one of the pattern of sarees. All these kind of collections you can purchase with manufacturing price. You have a 6 colors, 7 colors, 5 colors, 3 colors. Every saree you have a simmer chiffon, you have a gypsy fabric, you have a Jimmy Choo fabric, you have a Georgette fabric, multiple varieties. The production where the manufacturers are production doing for supporting from n number of collections only at the wholesale price, either sari, lehenga, kurti, kids collections, matching varieties, set to set. And the fast moving varieties, the services where we are providing to the supporters, the resellers, having to resell your customers very beautiful and lovely printed catalogs with the catalog, with the code, and you have an index page, and you have a color option chart. Every saree you can show like this, and you can resell to your customers. That is what the production of the entire manufacturers are giving you, the based on the season collections. So hope you enjoyed these varieties. Today I have showed you around 1000 rupees to 1500. To know the actual prices, number scrolling on the screen, just call our online team. To know, take a screenshot and you can find out the prices. Why I am not mentioning the prices? Why? Because many resellers are doing a business with Kesaria manufacturers. Hope you enjoyed this party wear boutique sarees. Quickly place an order. Pan-India COD options are there. Worldwide shipping, transport you have. It's a chain services. So keep supporting me. Let me in the comment box from which city and what's your name. You please let me know. So keep supporting. Social media pages you can follow. So we'll meet soon with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.